Hello, today I want to show you a website that is really helpful when you're teaching reading, especially for texts that are more difficult than a student can read at that current time. What it does is it simplifies difficult English, teaches words, and has a lot of different features that you could use to supplement your lessons. It's called Rewordify. Rewordify takes text that you have, you could put it in, and then it'll rewordify it for you. So I'm going to use a sample of something that we were reading in 6th grade, All Summer in a Day by Ray Bradbury. I'm going to take one paragraph, and that's this one here. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it into Rewordify. Now, that's the original text. When I click Rewordify, it's going to change the text into simpler words. Anything that it's changed, it's showing you right here in the highlighted portion. So this word, it tells you that it replaced concussion. Some students might not know that, so it's a new word for them, and it gives the definition instead of just the word. The students can go back and forth and read it with that or without. Going through the first reading, while you're teaching the vocabulary, it might be easier for the student to understand a difficult text this way rather than having the word concussion. It also shows you can click on stats, and it gives you information on the lexile, the characters and spaces, all the different data for that particular excerpt. You can share this. It'll tell you what to do before you share it. And you could share it as public, link, or password protected. I can go to learning activities. This is nice. It shows you what you can do, change it black and white, vocabulary with definitions. And my favorite part is part of speech. It'll actually color code all the words for the different parts of speech. So I could do prepositions. I could take those out or leave them in. So if I just want nouns, if we're working on nouns, I could take everything else out, just leave the nouns, and the nouns are highlighted in gray. Pronouns are always difficult. I could take that and show the pronouns. So as you're teaching a text, if you're talking about the grammar that's used and the writing techniques, this is a great method to use. I'm going to go back to home, and we also have the ability to use either classic literature or public documents. Going to classic literature, I'm going to look for The Giver. The Giver is a 6th grade novel that we use in language arts, and you have a couple that are here already. We have The Giver, just chapter 10, or the whole novel. When I go to the whole novel, again, it has created an easier read for those sections. You can do all those things that you needed before. It gives you lesson plans and ideas. Your students can use this, or you can use it with them. You can create an account, it's free, or you can use it without creating an account. I hope that you have fun exploring this, and as always, if you have questions, just let me know and I'll be happy to help. Have a great day.